Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to restore network defaults in iOS 18. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on general. And then scroll down in last and click on transfer or reset iPhone. And then again click on reset. And in second you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on reset network settings and then enter passcode to reset all the network settings. After reset all the network settings, then restart your iPhone. It can fix minor glitches. Then press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. And then slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart the iPhone, reconnect your Wi-Fi network, Bluetooth, VPN setting, all the previous settings. So after doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. So this is the way to restore network defaults in iOS 18. Thanks for watching this video.